Alright guys, welcome to Invoicify AI. In the next couple of minutes, I'll help you set up your account so that you can send branded invoices, estimates, receipts, automate your reminders, and unlock all those AI agents. This is the only CRM which allows you to have 4 AI agents that can run your sales for you. Just change the theme to light and see the screen. I'm going to continue with the setup. As you can see, the business details, it's pre-populated. So when you sign up for the first time, during that sign up process, we ask a few questions. You just provide that information there. It's already captured, so it's already pre-populated. You auto detect the time zone and you auto detect the business address. Most of the times, the auto detect will detect the city, the state or the province that you're in, and the country, and partially your postal code as well. For now, I'm just going to type it all by myself. And we will go ahead and upload a branded logo for our company. And here I will type in logo. So this logo will be presented for any documentation, any documents that you send to your customers, be it invoices, estimates, or receipts. And I'll click on continue. I will choose the default currency here and minus Canadian dollars. I will choose that. Continue with it. Here I would choose the default tax settings. I will provide my tax settings here, HST. Alright, so in this screen, as you can see, it's also pre-populated. So the business name and the email address is captured during the initial sign-up process. So if you wish to change your business name, you can do that. Whatever business name that you provide, the sender email address gets auto-generated. So this is the email address that would be used by this system every time you send an email out. So it will show up as, in this case, intelligentsolutions@users.invoicifyai.com. And the reply email would be the reply to section. When a customer wants to reply to your invoices or estimates or your receipts, they can reply to that. As you can see, default CC and default BCC. If your customer wants you to send or your organization needs to add an accountant or somebody else within the organization to be receiving those, you will provide that information. We do that. Alright, so this is where you set up the templates and you choose classic modern templates. Make sure you have proper color set up so that you can customize it to a certain extent in this particular screen. And this is where the fun begins. You set up the AI agent for the first time. You enable one of the AI agents and it automatically set up the backend for you. You will go ahead and choose one of the countries from the drop down. Currently only US and Canada is available. I'm going to choose Canada. Area code is optional, but I'm going to type in 289. So every time I hit the search, it provides me with 10 numbers. So I don't want to search anymore. I'll just go ahead and select one and register that selected number. Once the number is registered, it will show up on the communication setup that the AI agent will use this telephone number whenever they make the call to your customers. If you're a business tier, then you will be enabling the other agents depending on your use cases. This is where you will choose the time zone, and the agents will adhere to these particular time zone and calling hours. So make sure you provide that information here. Continue. If you want to protect your account and want to make sure that you have two-factor authentication, just go ahead and enable it. For the demo, I've left it. Go ahead and complete your setup, and that's pretty much it.